To fold your rear view mirrors, in case if you're going through the car wash or you're parking in a tight spot, you need to locate the L and R buttons, which allow you to adjust your mirrors, and we'll press both of them at the same time. Press and hold, and you will see that both rear view mirrors will fold. To unfold them, you have to press these buttons again. I'll fold them and unfold them again. You guys can even fold them while driving. So again, I'll press both of them at the same time, and as you can see, we have both mirrors folded, left and right. But of course, guys, we do not recommend you to do it while you drive. You can do it if you're using the car wash, for example, like I said, or if it's a narrow space. This will be very helpful. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.